guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I will solve this 5 of 5. So if you have seen my previous videos, like the video how to solve this pyramids or how to do a front flip on the trampoline, then make sure to like and subscribe and comment on that. And if I reach 50 subscribers on my short videos, then I might do my first live. So let's do this. So now I made the first center. Now I have the yellow center. Just keep going, guys. And now I have the blue center. And now I had a whole red center, and I have only 2 centers left. And now all these centers are made. So now let's just create all these edges. And now only a few more moves, and it's solved! Yay! If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And if you have any requests, then you can request me of like maybe trying to do 100 solves of a pyramids, or solving this 3x3 on a trampoline, for example that. But yeah, that was for this video. Bye.